This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Play with these blocks and try to get me to the bad pig. Alright, so we have our win run block, and let me see. It looks like I'm just right across there. Boom. Let's just step to test. Okay, and I'm just going to start throwing down several of these. So I'm going to do another one of these. And is he up one more block? Because you can always test stuff out with code. It's fine to be wrong. Oh, maybe he's not up. Oh yeah, no, definitely not up. But see, it's cool to be wrong. You just hit reset, you drag this off, and I think it's one more step. Let's try this out. Notice though they have this repeat. We're going to talk about it in a sec. It's kind of like a secret way to do it faster. 1, 2, 3, Quapow! Now, I'm going to hit replay here, because notice we use 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. But here's something called a repeat. And what's it say? Repeat 3. What do you think happens if we place a block in this, like, mouth thing or whatever inside of the repeat? I bet it repeats. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm going to get rid of these 2, and I'm just going to put 1 in here. Drop it in. Let's change the number at first. Let's see if it will move twice, right? So what I think happens is when we hit this block, it says, okay, repeat twice. Okay, I move west or to the left once, hit the bottom here, and it goes, zoop. Oh yeah, I got to run one more time. Second time running. Zoop. Let's see. Once, twice, bam. And then if we had code below it, it would run any code below it. After it loops, boom. All right, but it looks like we need to go 3 times, right? Let's try it. Awesome. We're going to be using more repeat blocks as we go. Great. Let's keep going.